For over 18 years, Almoe Digital Solutions has been shaping the future of audio-visual and IT innovations across India. Driven by experience and innovation, Almoe has completed more than 15,000 installations backed by a highly trained workforce. In our latest project for Altius Hospital, we deployed a high-brightness outdoor P4 LED video wall spanning 150 square feet. Backed by detailed planning and the use of premium quality materials, each LED module was installed with a strong focus on safety and long-term reliability. Powered by an advanced controller system, the display supports full screen and multi-window layouts, delivering seamless digital communication with unmatched clarity. This digital upgrade helps Altius Hospital enhance public communication, strengthen brand visibility, and improve patient engagement.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Sami from Almoe Digital Solutions Bangalore, and today I've got Mr. Shreyas here with me. He's the director of Altius Hospitals Bangalore. So firstly, I would like to thank you for providing me with the opportunity to do this project, and I would like to know your overall experience about the project. Like, how did you like it from the planning process till the installation process?
I was looking for a player, organized guy who could come in and help us with the installation of the video wall in the main HRBR district on the ring road. So I found Sami and he came and pitched the idea, and it was very meticulously planned and very well executed within the stipulated time.
Thank you, sir.
They did it in around 1 week or 10 days, and it was at a very cost-effective price, and the quality is of great level. I want to thank Almoe Digital Solutions, and special thanks to Sami for helping me.
Thank you so much.